Good morning. We have some clouds out there bothering us this morning, at least for now. Eventually they will move on and we'll get some sunshine once that sun comes up. And it might take some time for some to clear. It's going to be a west to east movement, but until then, we're stuck with more gray here. The great news is that we don't have any snow or rain on the way for this Tuesday. So a welcome break from our wintry weather, and temperatures have been pretty nice. This is right around average. It's actually a little bit below, but still yesterday this is where we warmed up to. We were into the low to some mid 30s, even some upper 30s up north where we weren't getting the snow. 38 degrees in Grand Forks, Fargo 34, and over in Lakes Country where we got all that fresh snow, that's where we're looking at that freezing mark being your high temperature there. And we're not far off of those temperatures with your current readings into the upper 20s to some low 30s in a lot of spots. Fargo's at 31. It's 29 in Grand Forks. Not bad here this morning. With winds that are light, and that's led to some fog development. We're looking at some areas where visibility is down just a bit. In Wadena, we've got some improvement at 2.5 miles. Boston, same thing. A little bit of snow over in Bemidji, so that's bringing down your visibility there. And in Grand Forks and Fargo, just down slightly. We're at 6 and 5 miles respectively. And I mentioned that wind is pretty light out of the west or southwest here this morning. So the wind's not too strong. We're working at warming up those temperatures and getting these snow showers kicked out of here. We'll see some of that snow moving on, but still right now Bemidji getting some little bit of lingering snow. You can see that the cloud cover, at least the higher clouds, are clearing out, and hopefully we can get these low clouds out of here today. And your tri-state view looks pretty quiet. Once that moves on, we're going to be enjoying some quieter weather, regardless of when that sun comes out. Expanding the view, big system hitting the other parts of the Midwest into the Great Lakes and stretching back over into Texas. And this is all rain and thunder shower activity and some snow over in the Front Range of the Rockies in Colorado this morning. So our storm team forecast here, we're looking at some cloud cover gradually clearing out. This is 7 a.m. and you could see that cloud deck just kind of working its way east. As we get into the 9 o'clock hour, more of us enjoying that sunshine, and that just gradually continues. By noon, we'll be seeing some mid to upper 30s at that point, thanks in part to the sun, but also that southwesterly wind helping to warm us up. And that rise will continue into the afternoon. It should be a beautiful day. Sunny skies, dry conditions, at least dry as far as precipitation is concerned. It's going to be quite sloppy out there, quite messy for us here with the melting that'll be happening today. Pretty rapid with the warm sunshine in March, and the temperatures climbing into the low 40s again today. So watch out for all that slush. You'll need to use those windshield wipers, especially in the afternoon. Checking out your hour-by-hour planner into this evening, we'll end up with some mostly cloudy skies up north and some sunshine or clear skies in the south, with eventual cloud cover taking over. Now moving into tomorrow morning, our next system rolls through. This one is going to pass by the center of circulation to our north, but we'll get some moisture extending south of it, and we'll be on the warm side of it. So we have that chance for some rain tomorrow morning, a bit of wind with this too, and gradually that rain does move on, but rain showers may greet you around this time tomorrow morning rather than the snow we've been experiencing. And eventually that does end. We'll end up with mostly cloudy skies, but as that colder air moves in, the potential for a few flurries or a few light snow showers moving through for your evening hours tomorrow before things clear out. Here's a look at your photo today. We've got gorgeous snow-covered trees. That's in the Hankinson area. Thanks, Barb, for sharing that with us. And your 7-day planner, we're going to be into the 40s today. Again, a nice day. And then things kind of change as we work our way toward the holiday weekend. Good Friday, we're looking at a chance for some snow with another disturbance moving through and into early Saturday. Easter Sunday, dry right now, but cold. Temperatures below the freezing mark. So coats over those Easter dresses for Sunday.
But today is a bright spot.
Today very much is a bright spot.
Thank you, Lisa. Ahead here on the Valley today, how many people are creatures of habit when it comes to their credit cards?